Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the DLL missing file or the DLL error when installing games in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let us begin with opening the control panel. So the reason for that error could be a faulty application installation or missing DLL file. So we will be solving that just by following the few steps that I'm going to show you. So first, type control in the Windows search tab, and then you will get this control panel option under best match. Now once you click on that, you will get this kind of window here. If you're not having the same kind of window, all you need to do is just to go to the view by options and then select the category one, and then you will get the same window just like this one. And then the next thing we need to do is to go to this system and security option. Now once you click on that, you will get all sorts of options just like this one. So please proceed with system. And then once you do that, you will get this kind of window. So let me just, okay. So we are now in the settings window. So just please click on this advanced system settings. And then you will get this system properties window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to this advanced tab and then proceed with the performance section. You will get there below it the settings option. So please click on settings. And then here, go to the advanced option again. We will click on this change button under virtual memory. So please click on that, and then we will be unchecking or unselecting this automatically managed paging file size for all device or all drives. So please uncheck this one and then select your C drive. And here we need to click on this custom size option. Now once you have done that, this initial and maximum size option will also open. So please type in the initial size 100, and for the maximum size type 3000. And once you have done that, please click on OK, and then it will ask you to make a quick restart with your device. So please just click on OK and then click on OK. And then once you have done this one, just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the last option or the last process, which is to open the run window. And we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here, or just simply go to your keyboard and then press the Windows R key altogether. Now once you're in the run option or the run window, all you need to do is just to type here TEMP and then click on OK or enter. And then once you have done that, we will be getting this kind of window. All you need to do is just to select everything. And these are the junk files, bad registries, and the cache files in your device. So all you need to do is just to select everything, and you can do that simply by pressing in your keyboard the Control A button and then click on the delete button there in the keyboard. And then once you have done that, you will get some you will have some items that are being skipped. So just leave those being or be skipped, so that because they are still being currently used in the applications that we are opening in our device. So just check this for all current items option, and then click on this skip button here, and then those items will be skipped, some will be deleted. Once you're done with this one, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.